Are you trying to find the best LED strip lights? If yes, you have come to the right place. The below is a list of the top 5 best LED strip lights. Be sure to read my description if you want to learn more about the price and other details. Please subscribe and click the bell button for more update videos to the channel, and don't forget to like and comment. Consequently, let's begin the video pretty quickly. Number 1. The Govee Home app offers up to 16 million color combinations for the 32.8 feet smart LED light strips 1080 LM lighting, which is nearly 33 feet long. In order to give voice control over illumination, the light strip may also be connected to Google Home and Amazon Alexa. For optimum performance, it needs 40 watts of power and comes in 2 flexible 16.4 feet rolls. Alternatively, you can use the sound-responsive microphone to have the LEDs respond to music beats, hand claps, and other sounds by changing their color. In our tests, we discovered that this Govee light strip struck a good balance between many factors, including scheduling, color selections, and adhesive strength. The software offered fantastic scheduling possibilities, lighting settings based on situations or user preferences, and superb connectivity. Govee earned bonus points for including support clips that, when necessary, can be screwed in or adhered to hold the bulkier portions of the electrical cord. Number 2. The Pangton Villa LED TV backlight with remote is intended for TV backlighting and comes in 4 strips with adhesive backing for easy installation. The 540 LM illumination is ideal for creating a cozy atmosphere whether watching a scary movie or playing your favorite game in front of the television. The light strip connects directly to a television through a USB connector, so there's no need to be concerned about wattage restriction. Put an adapter into the power outlet if your TV lacks a USB connector. Using the provided remote control, select from 16 various hues or dim the lights. However, keep in mind that this light strip kit is only for televisions or computer monitors and probably won't be a viable alternative for other scenarios. We chose them as the best TV LED light strips because they backlight a TV beautifully and give subtle accent lighting. To enable customization to fit a TV, the light strips are segmented with flexible connectors. During installation, this feature proved to be useful. Number 3. The 50 feet music sync LED light strip from Nexilumi employs 540 LM LEDs to create the ideal accent for a room or entertainment center. The light strip may be cut to fit any place and is supplied with 2 flexible 25 feet light strips as well as several straight and L-shaped connectors. Due to these LEDs' decreased brightness, the greatest light output can be achieved with as little as 27 watts of power. For fully customized color choices, responsiveness to music beats, and brightness adjustment, download the Home Light app. For people who are uneasy using smartphone applications, a remote with the same features is also offered. In the kitchen, we put these lamps to the test. Being uncoated made the Nexilumi strips lighter, which helped the glue hold them in place beneath the upper cabinets. Despite its modest light output, it is sufficient to offer accent lighting and enhance visibility. Although the remote wasn't the best, the app performed wonderfully. To operate the remote had to be fairly close, and occasionally it wouldn't work at all. Number 4. The Philips Hue Gradient Ambience Smart Light Strip is one of our favorites since it offers so much to improve the ambience of your area, even though sometimes those LEDs can be a little overwhelming. Despite the fact that several hues can combine to produce a smooth, amber look, you still have 16 million color options. The strong silicone cover that has a milky appearance protects those tiny LEDs to provide a more pleasurable experience. The additional diffusing produces a pleasant glow and can possibly ease eye strain. As a component of the Hue system, which enables Bluetooth connectivity and control of numerous lights, the Hue technology, which enables Bluetooth connections and control of several lights, is what gives the Philips Hue Gradient Ambience Smart Light Strip its considerable intelligence. Your life will be made easier by supporting smart assistants like Alexa, HomeKit, and Google Assistant. Additionally, 8 of the light strips may be merged and cut to size at specific locations, allowing you to find the ideal length whether you're wanting to illuminate a stairway or kitchen cabinet. Number 5. The Corsair IQ Kit is a good option if you occasionally want to adorn your gaming PC with some cool lights. The Lightning Node Pro RGB controller, IQ software, and 4 light strips allow you to freely alter and switch off the 40 different LED lights hues. This means that you have a ton of creative freedom when it comes to how your PC looks. Additionally, you can supplement the 2 RGB lighting channels included with this kit with up to 12 Corsair individually addressable RGB LED strips if you want a system that is even brighter. The Corsair IQ Kit is simple to set up and use. You may use the provided tape for mounting anywhere or the built-in magnets to connect to your case and provide a quick removal option. To light up, simply plug a USB 2.0 into your motherboard. The IQ program has a ton of effects, animations, and presets to choose from once it is powered on, making things really simple. Even better, you can link the lights with Corsair gaming keyboards, computer fans, or other accessories to make your entire workspace wonderfully alive and dynamic. However, it shouldn't really matter in this situation since this choice isn't smart home compatible. That's all from my end. I make useful videos every day, so please subscribe to my channel. Check out my description if you need more information or want to know the price of the product. Please leave a comment if you have any problems. Stay up to date on our cool products because it will make your life much easier.